Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can delete a user code on the Defiant Electronic Lock in 2026. So first of all, you need to make sure that before making any of the changes, the door is open and it is unlocked. You will also need the lock's current master code, which is the administrative code that is used for programming. So now you just have to simply open this particular compartment and you need to simply take a look at the set button inside it. So you need to simply press and hold the set button and wait until you hear the beeps, and when you hear the beep on the lock you just have to simply release this button. After doing so, you just have to come back and start using these keys in order to basically enter your current master code, and then you need to press the lock button in order to basically save it. So if the entered correctly, the lock will accept the command and it will wait for the next programming step. Now once this is done, you just have to simply press 3, then you need to press 0, and then you need to press the lock button. So after doing so, you just have to simply start adding your new user code that you want to remove and then press the lock button again. When prompted, you can enter the same user code a second time and then you can press the lock button again in order to confirm the deletion. Now you just have to simply use this sequence for removing a single user code from its memory. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.